Hi! In front of me is Nokia 22040, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening menu and looking for Clock app. When you find it, select it. Now choose New Alarm at the top and adjust it however you wish to. Then scroll to Repeat section. Pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And when you're ready, go back. Now click on Alarm Name and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Then scroll down to Alarm Tone option. Click on Choose from Music if you wish to set up music from your smartphone, or apply one of those sounds by clicking on the chosen one. In my case, Clock 1. Last but not least, scroll down again to access Snooze option. Now set up how many minutes your snooze will take. I will go with 15. Finally, click on Save. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to turn it off completely, click on it. Then tap on it again to enable it. In order to make some changes, click on this left button, select Edit, and change however you wish to all of your options. Then click on Save again. In order to delete your alarm, choose the same left button, but this time tap on Delete section under Edit and confirm your choice by choosing middle button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!